Hello students. Students, now we are going to solve the questions of exercise number 12.3. We are taking first question. In the first question we have given that a circle with center O, and in this circle the distance of PR is given 7 centimeter and the distance between PQ is given 24 centimeter. We have given these things and we have to find the area of the shaded region. Clear? So first of all we will write what is given. Given, first one, a circle with center O. Second thing, PR is equal to 7 centimeter. Third thing, PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. To find area of the shaded region. We have to find the area of the shaded region. Okay. So, student, you all know, we have learned in class 9th that angles on the semicircle are right angle. Is it? We will write here, since angles on the semicircle are right angle. See, here this angle is on the semicircle. So, the angle RPQ, therefore, angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree, and is in this triangle, this is the right angle. So, we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, in triangle RPQ, what is PR square or QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. Is it? By Pythagoras theorem, then QR square is equal to PR square, that is PR is given 7, so 7 square plus 24 square. So QR square is equal to 49 plus 576. Is it? Then QR square is equal to 625, or QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Now, QR we got 25 centimeter, that means this full length. See, this QR is the diameter, therefore radius of the circle OR is equal to OQ is equal to 25 by 2, is it? Now, radius of the circle is equal to, what is the radius of the circle? Is OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR is equal to OQ is equal to 25 by 2 centimeter. Got it? Now, area of the semicircle. What is the area of semicircle? Area of semicircle is half of the area of circle, that is pi r square by 2. So pi r square by 2. So what we got? Pi, that is 22 upon 7 into r square. R is 25 into 25 upon 2 into 2, and one more 2. Pi 22 upon 7, this 2 is here, then 25 by 2, 25 by 2. Got it? Okay. So, after solving this, after calculating this, you got that the area of semicircle is 6875 upon 28 centimeter square. How this 28 comes? 2 ones are 2, 2, 11. Then 6875 upon 28 centimeter square is the area of semicircle. Okay. Now, area of triangle PRQ or RPQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into 7 into 7 into 24. 2, 12, that means 84 centimeter square. Clear? 84 centimeter square. So, therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle RPQ. Got it? So, what is the area of semicircle? That is 6875 upon 28 minus 84 centimeter square. After solving this, you will get 4523 upon 28 centimeter square is the required area. Clear, students? So students, pause the video to be noted down.